The state government is aiming to commission the long-delayed Phase 3 of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme by next monsoon. Recently, the Hima Mauplang handed over a no-objection certificate to the PHE department for construction work related to Phase 3. PHE Minister Marcuise Marak expressed hope that once Phase 3 is operational, it will address water issues in Shillong, although he noted that it will take time. However, the project objective is to develop infrastructure capable of supplying an additional 24 million litres of water per day, which will suffice the growing population till 2041.
The NOC from the Hima Mauplang, and we are starting the works now. Phase 3 is commissioned. I think most of the issues in Shillong city will be addressed. It will take some time because there are different components of work which needs to be completed. Others are completing almost. So basically the pumping station has to be constructed there. So it will take some time. Actual estimate which was prepared long time back, we have enhanced it for 3 consecutive times because of this delay. So therefore now with the third enhancement, even the companies and contractors are also willing to work.